Extensions are a really useful thing that you can add to Chrome or Edge, and it's this button at the top. Now, I'm going to show you how to add extensions and also the three that I think are really, really useful for everybody. So if you click on this button here and you click either manage extensions, or if you haven't got any, if you open the Microsoft Edge add-ons, you can search through a whole realm of different add-ons that you might want to add to your browser. The ones that I would strongly advise are Adblock Plus. So Adblock Plus, you're looking for this one here, which currently has 828 reviews, and you're clearly quite popular. It literally just blocks ads as you're going around. I'm sure some of you visit websites where it's quite riddled with adverts, and it does slow down page loading and everything. If you install that, it just helps block those add-ons. If it isn't able to be installed in your school or business, it doesn't stop you installing it at home. The other ones that I'm a big user of are Grammarly, which is just like a spell check, but it's built into everything you're doing online, and you get underlined in green, so when you know it's Grammarly. There is a paid version of it, but even just the free version has helped me improve my text quite a lot. So Grammarly is really useful. The other one I've got, which I'm not actually using at the minute, is Screencastify. So Screencastify is a built-in screen recorder, which the only reason I'm not using it at the minute is because I've been recording in 4K, but it's the way that I recorded hundreds of old videos, and again, it's a really, really cool tool. But you add these extensions on, and then you can either show them if you're going to regularly use them, or you can hide them, but they'll still run. Unless you install them, they're still running, but I don't need to see that Grammarly's running because it's just going to pop up when it's saying I could spell things differently or phrase things differently. So that's how you add extensions to Microsoft Edge.